Reinforcement Cup.
Number 1.
Under 20.
Pounds the rain on 5 to shoot.
Now from the yellow shirt, the Santo Niño. Full up offensive rebound. Loses the letter by Mamadou.
Bola out.
Three, it's a turnover.
Andy Mao. Whipping the ball. Stop for the long three.
Try from three. Andy Gimao. No good.
Aquaman. Pasa dito kay Ernesto.
Lucky the dome. And now to Ernesto Pasangan. Wow! Nakalimutan natin yung isang superstar. Ang isang super rookie ng Kapampangan. There is a flying Ernest also from the Team Santo Niño Pampanga. Isang sagot na tres naman from the ECP. Pulong-bulong. Wow.
1-point lead for the ECP.
What a opening here.
15 seconds.
Grabe talaga kapag Pampanga, Liga Power Hoops Pampanga, mga Kapampangan, yung mga naglalaban sa Liga.
Pick out. Another mass G of these on fire.
And 3-point shots. Miss Mamadou for the trip back. No good.
Rebounded Andy.
Ibang energy.
Patang Mamaw. Quick crossover behind.
Ang ramdam natin dito sa simula ng laban from the both teams. And also here from the crowd. Talagang yinayanig din tayo dito sa ating napakagandang venue. And here at Lafid Arena, here in Pampanga, Angeles. Ayan, napakaganda ng court natin dito. Lagman. Slice from the top. Fire. No good. Now the Aquaman looking the gnome. Pass to number 10. What a changing direction. Missed the slices. Rebound. Back from the blue shirts. Andy Gimao. Fire. Peña. Missed the three. Magkaroon ng bola. And try to keep Basangan save the ball touch from his opponent, pero hindi niya tinamaan yon. Hindi na utakan ni Basangan. Mananatili bola para dyan sa ating ECP Waters. It's a steal from the yellow. The pass, the stretch. That's a whistle. Foul. And Andy Gimao for his first foul here in the Game 1 Championship. Iba yung twist talaga eh. Ang daming pwedeng mangyari dito sa championship na to. Although mga rising stars po yan, alam naman ng mga buong Kapampangan kung gaano kagaling yung mga Kapampangan players maglaro kahit nasa batang gulang palang sila. Samahan mo pa ng Titing and Andy Gimao, talaga mga buong Pilipinas kinikilala at hinahangaan na yung mga batang players na yan. Akowe from left, fire to Gimao. Miss. Gimao for fake. Nice pass. Choga underneath. Shot block. Outlet. Decent. Darren. Go! Yes, sir. From the defense and to opens. A nice transition play by the team Santo Niño Pampanga. Grabe yung depensa, pati yung kanilang atake. And this time, ECP, sila naman ngayon ang makakakuha ng dalawang free throw. Andy Gimao will step on the 15-foot line for 2 free throws. Wow, grabe din. Yung mga nanonood sa atin sa kanilang mga bahay, almost 10K watching for this championship here at the Liga Power Hoops Pampanga. Number 10, Basangan. Pass to Mamadou. No good. Rebound by Akowe. Now to the ECP. Corner fine. Batang Mamaw. Pass to Peña. Eugene. Other side. Fire open. 3 miss. Defensive rebound. Balik sa mga nakadilaw. Ang ating Santo Niño Pampanga. Bola nahagip sa kanto. Open bang! It's a 3-point shots by Lakindanom. The second 3 for this game 1 by Lakindanom. MIB. Akoe against Mamadou. At eto, sabi ni Mamadou, nakataas lang yung kamay ko eh. Talagang nagkiskisan. Yung dalawang MIB, Men in Black. Missed the first free throw by Colin Sakue. And he get the second. At syempre, sanay din tayo sa pag-ikot sa mga liga saan man sulok ng bansa. Good choice picking from the both teams for Collins Akoe and also Mamadou Torre. Talagang pagdating sa mga ligang labas maaasahan din yung dalawang import na yan. Good choice for the both teams. Akoe will get back the attack from the ECP. From 3, no good. Offensive rebound from the blue shirts. But Pau grab it. Still Pau. Pass to number 18. Fire 3, no good. Iba yung opening at determinasyon dito ng isang Pau Lakindanom. And just because nung last season, alam naman natin talagang ibinigay niya yung lahat para maibigay yung karangalan sa kanyang pinakamamahal na barangay. Pero fortunately, our defending champion is the ECP. Yun ang kupunan ni Chog Moral.
Okay, no comment.
Shout out to all viewers here the Liga Power Hoops mula noon hanggang ngayon. Thank you sa malaking suporta. Of course, a big shout out to our boss Raymond Garcia. Under net basket by Collins Akoe. 12-11 is the score. 1 point by the team Santo Niño Pampanga. Corner and it's a try. Decent number 10. Get another connection from the outside. 3-point shots. Pambawi. Extra from 3 by Batang Mamaw. Andy Gimao. 13-14. Still a 1 point by the Santo Niño Pampanga. Decent or rather Basangan dumidiskarte. Pass to Mamadou. Anticipated. Ball recovered by Mamadou. But there is a complete steal by the ACP. Here comes Chog. Acrobatic. Danay. Blocked by Basangan. Came out recover. Good on the shot clock. 10 down. And they came out still by the flying Ernesto Basangan. 17-40 now. It's a 3 by the Santo Niño Pampanga. Chog. Patayang Butike. And the follow is Lama Jabo by Collins Akoe. Wow. A two-hand big jam by Collins Akoe. Basangan from 3. Come on! Oh, ho, ho. What a championship! Game number 1, ibang klase yung twist ngayon. Lalong gumagaling yung mga player dito sa Angeles kasama ng mga import nila ngayon. Behind back by Chog Moral. There's a contact over by the Santo Niño Pangpang. Wow! Grabing intense at sigawan ng mga tao sa kanilang natutunghayan o napapanood dito pa lamang sa ating first quarter. Kapag talaga pang Santo Niño Pampanga at ECP ang naglaban, mga naghahati yung mga pride na mga taga-Angeles. But another two-hand jam by Collins Acowe. Ho-ho! This is what I am talking about for the twist. There is a 2 import MIB men in black. Back-to-back slam dunk by Collins Acowe. Nagpapaganda ng ating championship ngayon. 2018 on the board, 2:26 remaining here the first quarter. Marami ng mga highlights, marami ng mga magagandang nangyari ang nakita natin dito sa game number 1 pa lamang. Now on Gian Dizon, double team, almost steal. Gian Dizon, that is a backcourt. Turnover, inbound from the front court, and only 14 on the shot clock. 2:20 on the game clock, and this is now a chance by the ACP to make tie the ball game, or to make it the lead. If they get from some 3-point shots, pero isang turnover yung nakuha nila doon. Short by Ernesto Basangan. Subaybayan pa rin natin ang senaryo dito for the Santo Niño and ECP, and the signature fly by Ernesto Basangan. Another made easy 2 points and a back-to-back easy layup by the flying Ernesto Basangan. Now everyone, game number 1 best of 3 series, the reinforcement season under 22 here at the Liga Power Hoops Interbarangay Angeles. And there's a 3-point shot after the timeout ng ECP. Magandang pagbabalik para sa kanila. There's a connection from 3. Oh, there's an answer by the Santo Niño Pampang, also a 3. Balik sa anim agad ang kalamangan dyan ng ating Pampang. Cross-court pass. And that is another anticipation all the way by the Pampang. And the Gimao. Gimao, the acrobatic hang time. Look at decent. Oh, Gimao block. That was a first liner shot block by Chog Moral. Under a minute to play, 40 remaining, 3-point shots. No good for the Pampang. Ball out of bounds, a turnover.
And
37 remaining. Tignan natin kung makatapyas po pa ba ang ECP dito. Oh! Away from the ball. There is some commotion by the ECP from the player Guevara. That was a unsportsmanlike foul. Excessive swinging elbow. Sabi natin kanina, kung makatapyas pa sila dyan sa lamang ng ating Santo Niño, mukhang hindi na. Dahil unsportsmanlike foul yung privilege dito. Babalik pa for the Santo Niño with a 2 free throws and a ball possession. That's the first. Thirty-three remaining, 14 shot clock. The Aquaman, Pau, ang batang lagi sa tubig. Steal by batang Mamaw and the Kimau. Get the basket with a foul. 25 remaining. Oh, medyo naringgan tayo doon pero talagang tinanong natin. For this first quarter, Pau Laking Danum have 3 fouls. Naku, masyadong maaga yan para kay Pau the Aquaman. 20 remaining. Pau loses the ladder. Chance pa na makabuslo ECP pero sinira, inagaw na ng Santo Niño. 10 remaining. White. Oh! Follow up! How biglang lumusot to the rescue. Eto si Dizon. 2 to bed. Outlet release! Almost for the buzzer beater. Nanonood na to. Ang daming suporta. Of course, shout out to all. Shout out po sa inyong lahat na mga nanonood ng magandang laban. Another history here at the Angeles City. Grabe, Boss Raymond, iba yung reinforcement cup mo. Talagang nakaka-hype sa buong Pampanga. Here comes the yellow shirt. Biglang may pumalo up tapik ng ring pero yung bola biglang lumabas. Still stay by. The Pampanga, that was a too much muscle pass. Biglang lumipat sa kabila. And that was a backcourt. 32-24. 8 points hinahabol dito ng ECP. The Jelly. Missed by Batang Mamaw. Here now by Dizon. Dizon pass. Hang time. Basket by number 25. And nice assist by Dizon. Talagang nakabuelo. Dun si Giao. Made another easy 2 points. Switch. Find open. Missed by Lagman. Foot back under net. Won't go by the ECP. Yumul. Corner. Bounce wrong through the iron. Andy Gimao. Gimao nakawala. Steal an 8 by the Santo Niño Pampang. Number 10, Giao. Drop. And Mamadou get a foul to number 9. It's an illegal contact to the hands. It's an illegal contact. 34-26 is the score. Mamadou Toure. Sumablay dun sa unang tira. And that is a 2 misses by Mamadou Toure. And the Gimao. Gimao. And there's a foul by Santo Niño. Number 8, holding foul. And second team foul here in the second quarter by the Santo Niño. Andy Gimao open 3-point shots. Wala lang tayong record dito for Andy Gimao. Kita natin mula kanina sa first quarter, halos siya yung gumagawa ng paraan para makasagot ng puntos dyan sa Santo Niño, Pampanga. Giao, Pumureno, balik sa labas ang bola, behind the back, nabasa ni Chog, out of bounds, 5 seconds shot clock by the Santo Niño, Pampanga. 34-29, baba na sa 5. Ang abante dito ng mga nakadilaw. Ball touch on the iron. Reset shot clock pero nakuha. Dito ni Chog Moral. 3-pointers miss. Akowe. Offensive rebound. Sa kanto using the board. Oh! Nice stop by Giao. Almost for another slam by Collins. At yung ating Santo Niño, Pampanga, tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang pananalasa. Another basket made. ECP, there is another basket. Push back from the Santo Niño, Pampanga. May tawag na dun sa kabila. 36-29. Tense on the shot clock. And the game out. Isolation. Fine! Eugene Peña. Hindi nasalo ng maayos ni Peña for the open up and under. Kaya nakadepensa doon. Etong si Mamadou Toure. 3-second shot clock. 3 segundong natitirang shot clock para dyan sa ating pulong bulo. Eugene, release. No good, rebound by Mamadou. 3 minutes gone by here in the second. Open downtown, no good. Tapikan ng bola. Mamadou offensive rebound. Hang time, huli. Kaya Akowe. Steal from the yellow shirt. Forcing the issue. Another miss. One-handed by Basangan. Ang daming attempt na nagawa doon ng Pampanga. Pero walang kumonekta. Nice defense by Akowe. Oh. Oh, Colin Sakoe. Nakita dito ng mga tao na parang may medyo ininda sa paa. Kaya parang may mga nadismaya at naghiyawan dahil ako malaking bagay ito from the ACP. Kung ma-injury delikado. Eugene, no good rebound. It's a big rebound for the Pampanga. Flying Ernesto Basangan and Selfish find the corner open. Kaboom! Now, the first double digit by the team Pampanga, pero hindi pa rin ibababa yung moral netong super rookie ng Pampanga. Answer from 3 by Chog Moral. Back from the Pampang, 5:50 game clock. Yumul, or rather, that was Yumul. Yes, that is Yumul. Nice floater, made 2 points. Moral once again using the glass. Back-to-back 3-point shots by Chog Moral. 41-35, lead Cat into 6. Ernesto Basangan find another open man from 3. Net this time by the Pampang. Chog down the attack. Kung napapansin ninyo, Chog gumagawa na rin dito ng paraan para mag-execute ng score. Now pass it to and the game out. 10 on the shot clock. May 5 minutong natitira sa ating second quarter. Akoe, pass to Chog Moral. Peke with a step back. Miss. Ernesto Basangan, inilaga ng depensa. Find Mamadou. Yes! Get the friendly bounce by Mamadou Toure. Oh! Kung kanina, itong si Colin Sakoe ang umaagaw ng eksena. And this time, nagpaparamdam naman yung MIB, Men in Black from the team Santo Niño Pampang, Mamadou Toure. Nagiging effective na rin siya dito. Corner. No good by Basangan. Whoa! This movement on the floor almost poured that follow-up shot. Gimao. Short floater. Rebound by Mamadou Toure. Pass to GM Dizon. And wow! Grabe naman yun! Wow! It's a successful 3-point shot with a foul. And that was a passable 4-point play by Dizon. Ibang aura yung ipinapakita dito talaga ng ating Santo Niño Pampanga. 4-19, balik sa double digit. 11 points. That is a big improvement by the team Santo Niño Pampang. Silang lahat nagiging epektibo. Eugene Peña, answer for Trey. Down into single. 5 not miss. That was an 8. Number 10, Dizon. Ernesto Basangan. Short on the board. Basangan for the offensive ball. Another miss from the yellow shirt. Now save. Rebound from the blue. ECP Eugene Peña. Pass to Akoe. Another slam dunk. Yeah. Aray ko, pakak! Third dunk of the night by Akoe Gimao. Another 2 points by the ECP. 3 minutes. Biglang baba na lamang sa apat ng kalamangan dito ng ating Santo Niño Pampanga. What a comeback by the team ECP. And the game out. Still a chance to down the lead. No good, Mamadou. Rebound. Stop. Toure to Basangan. Bola pinaikot. Pau. Find the big man and one by Mamadou Toure. Although wala pang mga salpak, mga slam dunk, etong si Mamadou Toure, pero sobrang napaka-efektibo niya maglaro para mag-contribute ng mga puntos dito. But unfortunately, another all free throw of him. 2:36 remaining on the game clock. Anim pa rin. 3-point shots by Eugene Peña. Here, Ernesto Basangan with Mamadou Toure by the team Santo Niño Pampanga. Samantala, Andy Gimao and Colin Sakoe from the ECP. Still by Gimao. Missed the shot and Andy Gimao save another score by the team ECP. Baba na sa isa ang kalamangan ng ating Santo Niño. Now is a chance by the ECP na makuha ang kalamangan, pero di papayag ang Santo Niño dito. Pow! Oh! Tapek ni Andy Gimao. Gimao down. Gimao attacking. Defense on the mid. Sabay pasa sa labas for the lead. Misses. 1:30 on the game clock. Paolo Quintanong. Pass to Ernesto Basangan. Man from the yellow. Missed the shot sa kanto. And coach Baldo Peña call a timeout from naging matibay ang Liga Power Hoops at ang basketball dito sa Angeles at sa buong Pampanga dahil kay Mayor John Lasatin. 1:15 remaining. Now still a chance by the ECP na makalamang. Unfortunately, they have not, di nila nagawa yun. On the corner, malaki ang nasa harap sa kabila, pinadaan. Pero sumablay pa rin. Third chance by the ECP na makalamang. Kontra dyan sa Pampanga. Crossover by Batang Mamaw. It's a steal by Yomol. It's a counter steal by Lagman. Gimao for the lead. Missed the lefty. Open si Brion. Another dunk. Oh! Collins Akoe. Mukhang balak dito ni Akoe. Nabugbugin yung ring sa kaka-slam dunk niya. By the ECP, it's a change favor. 49-48, 1 point for the ECP. 25 seconds here in the second quarter. At dito, hindi ako papayag na di makabawi. Sabi naman dito ni Paolo Quintanong. They get a foul and he stand on the line to make 2 free throw shots. Get the first.
Wapin naman.
And made 2 out of 2 by Paolo Kingdonum. Balik agad ng isa. Ipinahiram ko lang sa inyo yan, sabi ni Paolo Kingdonum. 25 seconds on the game clock to complete this first half. Here at the game number 1 ng ating 22 Rising Star Division. Interbarangay ng Angeles. Peña. This is a 1.9 difference. Shot clock to the game clock. There's the shot. Try to save. Too late by Akoe. Sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Pampanga. Jasper Manalang watching. Ayan, kahit di mo na sabihin, nakita ko na sa inyong lahat. And first, isa pa daw sabi ni Boss Darcy. Ayan, from Marisol, our deadly 3-point shooter on the court. Shout out, Boss Robbie Tuazon. 13 remaining to complete this first half. Game number 1. 1 point by the Santo Niño. Managing last shot. And the roll on the corner made 2 by the Santo Niño. And at the end, Boss Raymond Garcia Dizon. Akala ko yung mga vloggers mga nasa 5 vloggers lang. Grabe, pati yung mga vloggers sa Manila, sa iba't ibang lugar, Bulacan, na malapit dito sa norte, nandito sa Liga Power Hoops.
15 seconds on
Nakikipitik para sa ating championship. We are now on the second half of the ball game, third quarter.
Short jumper rebound.
First attack is for the team Santo Niño Pampang. Di sila kaagad nakakuha ng puntos dyan. Now early connect from 3. Ang batang mamaw ng Mindanao. Surprising opening 3-point shot here in the second half to tie the ball game. 52 deadlock by Andy Gimao. Now on Ernesto Basangan behind the back. Kick out to Yumol. Answer 3. That is short. 52 deadlock. Maagang natakpan yung 3 puntos na kalamangan kanina ng Santo Niño. And this time, the slam! Dunk by Collins Akoe. And napigilan ni Pau Lakindanum o sinubukang pigilan ni Pau Lakindanum pero nagtagumpay nga siyang mapigilan yung pang-5 dunk netong ni Collins Akoe. Kaso yun na yung pang-4 na foul netong team captain, one of the ang main man ng ating Santo Niño Pampang. This is a bad game 1 foul trouble. Etong si Aquaman Paula Quindanum. Sa first up, nakatatlong foul na siya. Here at the early third quarter. Now get a sport foul trouble for this game number 1. Balik tayo dito sa ating Santo Niño. Pull up from the elbow. No good. Mamadou Toure. Put back by Basangan. Wala. Mamadou Toure. No Collins Akoe doon sa ilalim. Kaya di napagilan etong si Mamadou Toure. 54-52 balik sa dalawa. Santo Niño Pampanga. But Andy Gimao. A lot of points made by Andy Gimao. Kanina sa first half, now for this third quarter. Talaga namang buhat na buhat ni Gimao yung scoring for the ECP. 2 minutes gone by. Slicing the middle. Missed the lace up. Now on Chog Moral. The lead pass. Kick out open. Bang! Batang Mamaw! Andy Gimao. Change favor 57-54. Grabe. Andy Gimao. showcase sa puntusan for this game 1. Now for the Santo Niño. Wow! Posterized layup on the front of Collins. Grabe naman doon si Dison. Harap-harapan. Kahit negro kalaban. Gimao will go on the line for 2 free throws. Nakapasabit na naman itong batang mamaw. All is split by Gimao. 58-56 the score natin. Lamang na po ang ECP Pulong-Bulo. Bababa ng atake. Ernesto Basangan. Pass to Mamadou Toure. Toure from the left. It's a traveling violation. Chog Moral. Chog jumper. Basket. Panaka-naka itong Wonder Boy ng Pampanga. Pero di pa rin pumapayag na hindi rin siya makisali sa puntusan. Samantala, for the team Santo Niño Pampanga, yun na nga. Unfortunately, our main man, Paulo Quindanum, that is an early foul trouble for this game 1. Mukhang ramdam yan din ng kanyang mga kasama. 56, or rather 60-56, 4 points. MIB. Oh, it's a traveling by Mamadou. Laban ng MIB. Men in black. Colin Sakoe. And Mamadou Toure. Sabi ko nga kanina, good choice of import yung magkabilang kupunan sa galing ng dalawang yan. Missed the 3-point shots by Chog Moral. Defensive rebound by the Santo Niño Pampang, number 23. Now to Dison, number 10. Pass to Basangan. Corner, no good. Rebound by Eugene. Chog Moral, pass to Andy Gimao. Sumalaksak. Gimao. Basket. Batang mamaw talaga. Hindi alintana etong si Mamadou na halimaw sa kanyang harapan. 5:50. Now Basangan, drop pass. Mamadou. Pass to Dison. Yung mga outside shooting connection kanina sa first half dyan ng ating Santo Niño Pampang ay maganda-ganda. Ay kung maganda-ganda, siya namang ngayong naging alat. Here the second half. Gimao, Agaw, bola, push, nice. And Ernesto. Flying Ernest. Get the picking apple. 62-58. 4 points, ECP. Gimao double team, pass to Peña. Peña fire 3, bang! Peña pang-apat na tres na rin niya. Santo Niño on the attack. Big D by Collins, steal by Batang Mamaw. Andy Gimao, slow! Wow, slowly but surely Batang Mamaw. 67-58. Missed by Dison. Now by Collins, Akoe, pass to Batang Mamaw and get the foul. (67-58), 9 points by the ECP. First half, nangibabaw Santo Niño, Pampang. Kaso nga lang talagang yung foul trouble na maaga nitong ni Paula Quindanum ininda din ng kanyang mga kasama. Kaya yung momentum sinasamantala dito ng ECP. And eto na nga. May problema na yung Santo Niño dito for foul trouble, pero hindi pwedeng walang Paula Quindanum dyan sa Santo Niño, Pampanga. Isusugal dito sa third quarter kahit 4 na yung foul. Bounce pass. Now pow! Bang! Yan yung sinasabi natin. Paula Quindanum is the main man by the Pampanga. Still, another moment. The semi-dunk by Ernesto Basangan. Look at that. Sa pagbalik ni Pau, heto na naman humataw ang Pampang, pero sabi ni Chog Moral, huwag na huwag dito sa harap, huwag na huwag dito sa aking harapan. Another first liner block by Chog Moral. Mga ibang galawan na yung mga nagagawa dito ng mga players natin. Pau, the short jumper. 69-63, only 6 by the ECP. Gimao, Hesse, pass to Peña, Slice. Peña pass to Choga. Gimao, fire three. Look at that by the blue, and now by number 25, Dizon ran to, or rather, and another block by Chog Moral. Grabing depensa ni Chog. Gimao, laban sa halimaw. Napaatras ang Batang Mamaw. Tumira ng tres. Now by Mamadou. Pass to Dizon. Hang time, kick out. Pow, break, good. Miss. Balik dito sa ating ECP. 3 minutong natitira dito sa ating ikatlong quarter. Nagiging intense na at exciting ang laban dito. 3-point shot by Chog, malakas. Here now by the flying Ernesto Basangan. The zigzag by the flying Ernest. That was a 6-0 run. Momentum by the team Santo Niño. 3-point shots. Pamatay sunog, wala. Another chance. Momentum pa. Diyan sa Santo Niño. Nakaharang si Collins. Outlet to Chog. Chog Hesse drive. Chog mess. Grabing depensa pa rin ni Pau kahit 4 na yung foul. 2:15. Now Santo Niño. Pass to Dizon, wide open. Miss the trade. 2 minuto pa. Tuloy-tuloy ang takbuhan. Palitan ng mga tirang di pumapasok, pero okay lang. Both teams all out for this game 1. Gimao step back. Pass to Akoe. This is the letter. That was the same ball. Still for ECP with 8 seconds. Good on the shot clock. Under 2 minutes. Grabing takbuhan yon. 2 minutong walang pahinga, nakahabol na yung Santo Niño. From 9 down now into 4. Or rather, Gimao, zigzag. Look at rebound by Paula Quindanum. And now for the yellow shirt, get a whistle. Two shots by number 28 by the Santo Niño Pampang. Coach JB Quindao from the Santo Niño Pampanga. Alam niya nung nawala si Paul Aquindanum, foul trouble na inilabas niya, nanalasa yung ECP Pulong-Bulo. Pero nung ibinalik na, isinugal ni Coach JB Quindao etong sila Quindanum, biglang sumigla na naman ang Santo Niño at nakahabol sila. 135. And sabi ni Coach JB Quindao, tama na muna yung nagawa mo. Tama na muna yung tubig na isinaboy mo sa mga kasama mo, pal. 69-67 from 9 down to 2. Big rally by the team Santo Niño. There's another chance for a steal, pero na-counteract. Kawe! The slam jabo! The fourth dunk by Colin Sakoe. Crowd shouting support from the both teams. Sigawan dito Velasquez. Pasa sa labas, 1 minuto and 1. Di pumasok pero 2 shots yan.
Perspiration second kick down for the ECP Pulong-Bulo.
Mukhang aabot tayo ng 20,000. Mukhang aabot tayo ng 20,000. Grabe.
And a shout out to Sergeant Warner, Jun.
From the Intertown, dito tayo nagsimula. Baka Boss Raymond, mukhang aabot tayo ng 20,000. This is how we play here in Pampanga. Grabing suporta niyan. And back on the floor, there's a whistle foul hold. Jay Calo, his first 54 remaining at team foul number 4 pa lamang, isa pa for the penalty. Dalawa lang naghihiwalay dyan sa magkabilang kupunan. Gimao, that was a 4-shot move. Chance to tie the ball game by the Santo Niño Pampang. Number 29, medyo malambot ang pasa. Agaw ni Lagman or rather Cruz. Batang Memo! And the Gimao. All out Andy Gimao. Here in the game 1 ng ECP Pulong-Bulo. Velasquez, decent ball pick. Open top. Guevara miss. 20 remaining. Now by Akowe. Now manage for the last shot ng ECP. 10 on the game clock. Waiting for the buzzer. Gimao with a 5 remaining. Find way to throw. Lagman. No. And that is 4th quarter. Sino ang mag-uwi ng game 1? And this is a early problem by the team Santo Niño Pampang. Bukod sa lamang ng 4, yung ECP Pulong-Bulo, yung kanilang isang key player o yung team captain ng Pampang, 4 na yung foul. Sa 10 minutong natitira, paano lalaruin ng isang Paul Aquindanum yung foul trouble sa buong isang quarter na kailangan pa nilang maghabol? Panoorin natin to. Final quarter, 74-69, now 5 for the ECP. Humol. Pass to Dizon. 5 down shot clock. Agaw. Neto ni Collins Akowe. Akowe. To the other side. Moral for 3. Miss. Offensive rebound. No Mamadou. To challenge Akowe. Here at the early quarter. Here at the early minute ng ating final quarter. 1 minute gone by. 10 shot clock. Fire outside. Basket count by Velasquez. Napatakbong mayaman. Etong si Velasquez, 3 na lamang yung kalamangan ng ECP. Chog Moral. Outside. Missed by Batang Mamaw. Decent give and go. Napakaraming mga plays. Basket para dyan sa ating Santo Niño Pampang. Mula kanina sa first half, lamang talaga sila sa takbuhan dito. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng ECP. Pinwersa ni Chog Moral. And that is a charging by Chog. Speaking of ECP, kung kanina pinag-usapan natin ang isang foul, Lakin Danum, 4 foul trouble na. Etong si Moral, hindi natin masyadong nararamdaman here at the game 1 dahil nga may Batang Mamaw and Akowe, nakatuwang na siya dyan. At yun ang sinasabi natin na twist ng Interbarangay ngayon, the Reinforcement Cup. 74-73. Shout out to AC from Japan, from Rob Tuason, just sending love your way. Mwah. Also big respect to Louis Ocampo of Barangay Marisol, true hang time player and RAA standout. Slam dunk! And habang nagbabasa tayo, Boss Darcy, pang 5 slam dunk na ni Akowe yan. Medyo may sigawan dito. That is the 3rd foul on Chog Moral. 76-73 score. And tuloy ko na, Boss Darcy. And once again, shout out po kay AC from Japan, from Robbie Tuason. Just sending love your way. And mwa chup chup pa po. Also big respect to Louis Ocampo of Barangay Marisol, a true hang time player and RAA standout, keeping grinding and representing the game with passion and heart. Mga pinapabati ng ating mga boss idol. Shoutout sa inyong lahat, mga Kapampangan bowlers. Ayan yung mga nangangarap, kahit bata pa. Talagang yung mga iniidolo nila, gustong nang magaya, katulad ni na Chog and Lakin Danum. Ayan, keep it grinding basketball. Ayan, trust the process. Ang mga coaches, napakakadami ng mga talagang magigiting na coaches ng Pampanga. Kaya naman yung mga Kapampangan bowlers lalong dumami. Mga bata pa lang magagaling na. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga coaches natin. Isa sa mga dahilan kaya tinitingala yung basketball ng mga Kapampangan. Ayan na. Nagkatawanan po dito para ibalita, sabihin sa inyo. Sinabihan na si Collins Akowe na huwag masyadong lambitinin yung ring sa pagdunk niya. Pang 5 dunk na niya yan. At mukhang yuyuko na yung ring dito. Oh ho ho! Habang speaking of Akoe, nabirahan ng 3 yung ECP. And this is now a tie ball 76. There's a 3-point shots. Surprising 3-point shots by the Santo Niño Pampanga kanina lamang. 7 minutes and 3 seconds on the fourth quarter. Tabla tayo, 7-6. Huling 7 minuto dito ng ating Game 1 Championship. The Flying Ernest. Ernesto step back 3. That was short. Offensive rebound. Second try. Wala pa rin. Jog. Pass to Eugene. Fire 3. Bang strong. Chance 4. Santo Niño na makalamang sa ikalawang pagkakataon. Ernesto Basangan. Ball screen. Drive. And time. There's a foul. There's a foul connected by the team ACP. Mukhang si Chog yun. Or rather, that was Akoe. Or rather, that was Gimao. 6:21 on the game clock. Ernesto Basangan will go on the free throw line para kunin uli ang kanilang nawawalang kalamangan. Made the first. Change favor na. But is off from the second. Back one by the Santo Niño. Chog Moral. Kick out. Gimao, Bopik. Gimao attack. Pasa sa kanto. Open. Bang, bang. 3-point shots. Good setup to find it open. 79-77. Dalawa na uli for the ECP. There's a foul. Another connected from Basangan. .552 on the game clock. Close ball game. At ito mahabang pahinga by Paul Lakindanum. Pero sabi ni Coach JB Quindao, hindi kita pwedeng palamigin. Hindi ka pwedeng maging ice candy, ice tubig. Paul Lakindanum. Kailangan na rin mag-isabayan. One of the key player here by the Santo Niño. Powell back with a tie at 79. Second deadlock for this fourth quarter. Chog. Murala. Bantay sarado kaagad ang depensa. Now Gimao. Gimao isolation. Ball screen by Collins. Fine open Gimao. Missed the tray. Chance for Santo Niño. Makalamang Lakindanom. Lakindanom slice. Tap by Gimao. Ball recover for the lead. Dismiss. Wala. Offensive rebound. Yumon naman ngayon may pagkakataong tumira. Pasa dun sa kabila. Agaw ni Gimao. 5:15 game clock. Now ECP. Sila naman ngayon ang may pagkakataon na ibalik ang kalamangan on the corner. Lagban. Yes! Puts it off the glass for two. Huling 5 minuto ng game number 1. Ernesto Basangan. Dixon on the corner. Back to Basangan. Kontra Chog Moral. Pasangan. Get the pull-up jumper. Deadlock. Balik na naman. Third deadlock here in the fourth quarter. 22K watching para dito sa napakagandang game number 1 ng Angeles City Interbarangay. The one handle missed by Eugene. Here now by Dison, and that was an obvious blocking foul for Gimao. And second for Gimao. And ECP now on the penalty situation. 4 and 24, 81 deadlock on the board. First row made. Lamang uli ng isa ang Santo Niño. Kaya naman mapapa-shoutout na naman tayo, Boss Darcy. Ang dami. Shoutout to Being Yalong all the way from Canada. From Raymond Darcy and the World Rise Above All family. Ingat lagi kayo dyan, stay strong. Keep safe palagi. And shoutout Aldin Cruz from Macabebe. From Robbie Tuason. Bisa ka pa na. Ito na. Santo Niño. Pow! Airball! But there is a front back. Is it true? By Dison, 4 minutes on the game clock. Lamang ng tatlo ngayon ng Santo Niño. Sumisigaw ang mga taga-Pampanga ng depensa. Post, MIB, fire, track, kaboom! Sagot na mga taga-pulong-pulo. Pamatay sunog, tabla ulit tayo. Pow! Short from trade. Now ran by Easy Prim. Diskarte ni Chog. Call a screen. Chog fire. No. Mamadou. Rebound to Ernesto. Basangan fire. Bang! 3-point shots. 3 minutong natitira dito sa fourth quarter. Palitan ng mga tres. Gimao, moral answer. That was bounced strong. Push by Lakintanong, finding Yumul from the other side. That is a free 2 points para makuha yung atensyon ni Coach Baldo Peña. Beyond the arc, ayan, parang nag-reunion tayo dito sa Liga Power Hopes. Ayan, dito tayo nagsimula mga Kapampangan. Gimao, hesitate, hang time, no! Gimao, oh rather Mamadou get a rebound. Oh, but Mamadou unfortunately throw the ball from the outside. 14 shot clock here in the half court by Andy Gimao. Pagalingan na rin ng mga kautakan ng mga coaches. Coach JB Quindao from Datikas Kapampangan na taga Santo Niño, Pampang, and Coach Valdo Peña na isa ding magaling na coach from the Pilipinas Super League Young Star. Nagkakapalitan na rin ng mga magagaling nilang estratehiya. 2:25 remaining, 10 on the game clock. Peña to Gimao, 5 down shot clock. Double team pinilit ni Gimao for the fall away. Rebound natin para kay Mamadou. Oh, nagkayakapan. Ooh. Time remaining 2 minutes and 16 on the clock. 89-84. And that is a warning for improper bench decorum by the Team Santo Niño. At 2 minuto 18 segundong natitira dito sa huling yugto. Papalapit na tayo sa unang kwento ng ating championship ngayong taon. Pampanga and Pulong-Bulo versus Gimao. No good. Second securing by Gimao, 89-85, 4 points. Hawak dito ng ating Santo Niño Pampang, 2:10 on the game clock. Di na nagmamadali dito si Basangan. Lamang ng 4. Okay everyone, we're now entering to the twilight zone, pero bago yan, isang masakit na tres by Basangan. The final 2 minutes brought to you by Liga Power Hopes Pampanga. Gimao now for the final countdown. Here in the game 1. Santo Niño Pampanga biglang nabuhayan here in the late game. Arangkada. Wow. Kung naririnig nyo lang yung mga suporta ng mga taga Santo Niño Pampanga at ng ECP Pulong-Bulo, pati sa cheering talagang may intense at kompetensya dito. 148 fine under ng ating huling 2 minutes ng game 1 Gimao. And that is only 1 free throw again by Gimao. 92-87. Dinidiskartihan na dito ng ating Santo Niño Pampang na ikalma ang atake para umandar ang oras, agawan ng bola. And that is a turnover. Kickball, 131. 130. And the game out. Hesi Pirate. No! Nawala ng bala ang batang Mamaw. Here now by Pau. Pau. Pass to number 4 Basangan. They are now calling the attack to melting the clock. Almost steal. Mamadou tried to save the ball by Basangan. Extra drop. Oh! Didn't catch it good. Miscommunication. 87-92 pa rin. Di gumagalaw. 1 minuto, 6 na segundo. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Two possession ball game, or rather that was a 5 points. 2 possession ball game. Corner by Chog. No, di epektibo etong moral ni Chog ngayon. And wisely melting clock, pero si Pau wala nang ubos-ubos oras. Ubusin natin ang lakas para sa mga sumisigaw na taga-barangay Santo Niño Pampanga. Grabing liderato netong ni Paul Aquindanome. 48 remaining. Whoa! Mamadou for the shot block. Mukhang naaamoy na ng ating Santo Niño Pampanga na sila ang mag-uuwi ng Game 1. Ito ba ay hudyat ng Santo Niño Pampanga na sila naman ang magkakampyon ngayong taon? 47 remaining on the game clock.
Okay, mga 47 seconds. 94-87.
45 on the game clock. Still finding a way to make score. ECP. Medyo mahirap na itong sitwasyon ngayon ng ating ECP. 87 or rather 94 to 87. That is 7 points. 38 on the game clock. 2 free throws on Okoe. Still have a time to make this back by the team. ECP, 7 points, baba na sa 6, nakuha yung isang free throw ni Okoe. Only 2 possession ball game. May 38 seconds pa tayo. And securing connect that 2 by Collins Okoe. 94-89. Eto Coach JB Quindao shouting player na huwag magpabaya. Full press defense by the ECP. Try to cross and made it to cross. 30 seconds still pressing the ball to melting the clock. Ito na yung sinasabi natin na extra drop. Kimau is made 2 points. 24 remaining. From 7 now down into 2. Problema kahit yung mga motor wala nang side mirror at mga gulong. Basta nakapanood ng Liga Power Hoops game number 1 here in Lapids Arena, Santo Niño, Pampanga. Jump Pack Liga Power Hoops Season 5 Interbarangay City here at the city of Angeles. And now still press made by the team ACP. Nailipat ng ating Santo Niño. 14 remaining on the shot clock. Mr. Chop get the rebound. Pilet. Portion of 10 remaining. Chance by the ECP. Oh. Chance by the ECP. Teka lang, nawalan tayo ng hangin doon dahil yung oras talagang binantayan talagang nakatutok lahat sila sa oras by the team ECP. 94-91, 7 points deficit by the team Santo Niño Pampanga with under less 2 minutes. Now a chance by ECP to get some overtime. Only 3 points na hawak ng Santo Niño Pampanga. 8 seconds. Ayan, 8 seconds remaining from the team ECP. And we know everybody what ECP thinking. They need to connect from 3 to tie that to get some overtime to tie that 3 for this game number 1. Tingnan natin anong setup ni Coach Alan Trinidad at ni Coach Valdu Peña. Paano dinrowing etong huling 8 segundo, 3 kalamangan. Sino ang titira? Oh! Missed by Andy! That is a play from Andy Gimao. Looking for 3, pero Gimao missed the shot. Sa dinami-daming nagawa mula kanina ni Andy Gimao, yung pinakahuling tira, yun ang sumablay at yun ang masakit na di pumasok. Aray ko, pakak. And sealed it by Paul Quindanum. Early foul trouble by Paul Lakindanuma. Pero siya pa rin yung naging reason dito ng Santo Niño Pampanga para mabuhayan ng loob. Maiuwi ang unang laban, ang unang panalo dito sa ating Best of 3 series. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Liga Power Hopes Pampanga, Interbarangay City of Angeles. Maraming salamat sa lahat po.